You wanted me to send you a video when I've got some cool stuff going on? Here you go. So this customer here, he drives an awesome truck, by the way. He wanted us to put cameras on his trailer, which Chevy makes, or GM makes, a camera system where you can have an inside trailer system and a see-through trailer system, which comes out of these two fiber optic ports, right? So what we did is we wired all the way along the frame, all the way back, using our technician's amazing ability to kind of improvise, and we installed this camera. It has to be in the middle of the trailer here to get the, quote, see-through vision, right? There's also one on the inside of the trailer that we had to fabricate a piece of wood. All right, going back up here to the front, this is what this looks like in the truck. I thought this was sweet. So what we've got here is the ability to see through the camera, or see through the trailer, essentially. Here's your inside camera view. It's dark in there, but he's got a light in there. And trust me, I guess take my word for it, that is viewing the inside of the trailer. You can see the outside of the door right there. But with a light on in there, it is so cool. This is the first one of these we've got to do. These are mirror cams, and this is your sensor cam. Figured you want to see that.